Good morning. Well, now wasn't that convenient? Good old school trim carpenters with their crappy little cut too short, didn't measure. Anyway, what I'm doing here today, boys and girls, is laying flooring, undercutting with this beautiful $15 Marshalltown jam saw from Lowe's. And I've done, I think there was almost 30 something in this house to do. I've done 80% of them with this thing. And I just happened to be browsing through my mail the other day, and I had a circular from Harbor Freight. Yes. And looks like they may have cut that one. Some of these are cut, some of them's not. Yeah, that's cut. But that's not. I mean, figure this out. This one's cut, this one's not. Seriously. This old home built in the 50s. Has all kinds in there. At least the inside of the closet's cut. So anyway, I'm browsing good old Harbor Freight, and I see they have this on sale. Yes, sir, boys and girls. Oscillating tool. It's the regular $19 one. On sale, 15 bucks. Bought this extra wide blade. That was $8. Let's see, 15 bucks for this, or 15 bucks for that. 15 bucks for this. Let's see, now you've seen how long it's going to take me there. Let's see, how about this wide jam? Bam, done. Now this is solid wood. This ain't this particle board MDF crap that everybody's got today. Done. Now I've cut most of all the other jams except for a couple of these, and it would have took a heck of a lot longer with manual jam. So let's see if I can get a piece of this out and show you what it looks like. Well, come out. Hold on just a second. So anyway, done this morning, I've done got solid wood. See, solid wood. No MDF in this baby. So, which ones would you pay $15 for? Which ones would you pay $20? Because the Lowe's Cobalt brand was $20, and this is normally $20. I know which one I would, because I tell you what, it got old cutting jams. So for 15 plus 8, looking at 23 bucks there for that one altogether versus that one. It's no compromise. And I've done cut several jams this morning with this. Man, what a time saver. 15 bucks, you can't beat it. Go down, Harbor Freight. Even if it's 20 bucks, I would buy one every job if I had to. For 20 bucks a time, and saver it is, and you know, easy on my back. I don't have to bend over and with this thing and spend, you know, ever how long it, I gotta glue that back now, but ever how long it takes, a couple, you know, minute, 2 minutes, whatever. You see how fast I went through that solid wood jam with this one, no time at all. So, hey, I like it. Even if it dies on this job, I still love it. I'll go buy another one. I'll buy one for every flooring job I have where I've got to cut jams. So anyway, hey, just thought I'd pass this along because I really think this is something y'all gonna like. and you'll get a lot out of. I haven't even begun to start to explore the other blades this thing has. So anyway, Donald from bluecollardiy.com. Hey, like and subscribe down there someplace. Check these other videos out, and we'll catch you later. We've got a lot of cool stuff coming up, so y'all want to make sure you do like and subscribe so you get those notices when a new video comes out. And hey, I'll show you this Allure flooring. I'll have a lot of tips on laying it on down the road, because as you can see, let's just take a look here. Wow, yes, I love it. Some pros and cons versus the peel and stick, but you know what? If I had my choice between this Allure and the peel and stick, I'm still probably taking the Allure. It has its cons, and I'll go over that in another video. But hey, look at all these beautiful jambs. And that's another thing, how I'm sticking the flooring up under the jamb, not buttoning up against and making it look like a Craigslist amateur. So anyway, hey, we'll catch y'all later. I'm already over 6 minutes here, so you know, I don't want a YouTube police come and say, oh, your videos are too long. Just joking. Hey, catch y'all later. Donald out.